Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can remove your email address from Facebook. And it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to show you. Before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to click on the menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. And once you click on the menu, you want to click on the setting icon at the top of your Facebook. Once you click on setting, it's going to bring you to settings and privacy. Over here you can see this option called see more in account center, which is in blue color. You want to click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to your account center. And over here you can see this option called personal details. You want to click on personal details. Once you're over here, you can see this option called contact info. You want to click on contact info, and over here you can see your email. Now over here I want to remove my second email, so I will click on the second email. And once you're over here where it says delete email, click on delete email and click on delete. Once you do that, your email will be deleted from your Facebook. That's how you guys can remove email address from Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.